Good afternoon, traders. My name is Bob Haberkorn from RJO Futures here in Chicago. And I just want to talk today about the gold market and what we saw with a pretty crazy volatile day today in trading with the U.S. Jobs report coming out with an increase of only 69,000 jobs. Pretty bad on top of yesterday's horrible GDP number of only a growth of 1.9% in the fourth quarter. Well, what I want to address and look at and talk about is gold today. We saw gold on Wednesday reverse, do a key reversal off those lows of 1530, trading all the way back up to 1571 to the top of the range. And then today we saw gold just going to the stratosphere with a big move here based off that jobs report. And also, you know, it's absolutely flight to quality on this thing. You have treasury bills right now paying on the 10-year note below 60-year lows, I think at around 1.5%. You got the European bonds paying almost below 1% on some of them in the German bonds. Money's got to go somewhere, and when yields are this low, which I anticipate them even going lower right now, that's a whole other topic to talk about, but I do anticipate them going lower. I think money is starting to see gold and silver as what it should be, is a hedge and protection against paper money and what's going on worldwide, geopolitical. So I'm saying that I do see gold making some substantial moves even into next week. We're traded up to 1623 here for the August contract into the close, which is a huge move from 1550 on the day today as a low all the way to 1631 was the high on the August. I do anticipate that to take out that 1641 level here, probably by Monday, which is the old previous high before it made this downward leg here for the entire month of May. Now, if you're bullish like I am, there's a couple things you can do. You can look at futures. I don't think you're missing the boat here after today's move. I think this is the start of something bigger that you're going to see here. So don't stress out about that. Or another option you could look at is option trading. Look at some call options. There's some good value still out there in the 1800 strikes. You can go out to the end of the summer and play those. And I could always price some of that stuff out for you if anyone has any questions. My number's on the bottom of the screen, or email me. I'd be more than happy to answer some questions for you on gold. As well as for traders that did catch this move today on the upside, the bullish people, you should look at too still to protect your positions, because we are in some pretty volatile times. While I do remain bullish, nothing's for sure in commodity trading or trading in general, and I do like establishing and coming up with hedge strategies for people that are holding these positions. So feel free to call me about that as well. I'd be more than happy to assist you with any type of hedge strategy you need if you're a long-term bull on gold. Now, saying that too, I do think, I'm still on board with the 2,000 gold by the end of the year. I don't see anything changing geopolitical. Honestly, I actually see things getting worse as the year goes on with this European situation. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to call or contact me. My number's on the bottom of the screen. And remember, futures trading does involve substantial risk and is not suitable for all traders. Thank you and have a great weekend.